Today we are going to build a simple SwiftUI app from scratch. I'll explain every step as we go, so open your ContentView.swift and let's get coding. If you do not know how to do this, I recommend you to watch the previous episode of this series where I explain all this process step by step. So it is in the description. Now, back to this episode. So here I'll open my Xcode, create new project, iOS app. Then you will play my first SwiftUI project. Next, the folder. Okay. First, we'll start with some text on the screen. Here's what you'll see by default in ContentView.swift. So we got these elements here. This text view is what displays hello world, this one here on the screen. Let's customize it to say something more interesting and tweak its style. So I put here dot under the text font parenthesis, and here I type largeTitle. Makes the text bigger, perfect for a title. Then we put enter again, and in this case I'll type foreground color for foreground style, and here I type the color I want it to be. So I type color dot and the color I want it to be. In this example I will put blue. So as you can see, the preview updates it and the text is now blue, as you can see. Then I can also type here padding. That it adds breathing room around the text. And there you have it. Your app now displays a custom message. Let's take it further. Of course, how not, I have to type here the check GEEK. Okay, here we go. Now let's add another line of text below it. To do that, we'll use a VStack. This is the short for a vertical stack. It helps you arrange elements vertically. As you can see here, there's a VStack organizing this image and this text. That's why they are organized vertically. But as you can see, if I put, for example, HStack, that would stand for horizontal stack, they are in an horizontal settling. But let's leave it like VStack. Okay, so the VStack groups both elements vertically. It's like a box that keeps everything aligned. The second text says, we're going to make it right now. So we type text, parenthesis, and the let's type hello world, for example. Now let's type it's just for beginners. Okay, there you got it. We'll also apply some properties to its text. So as you can see, for example, it's foregroundStyle. Here we type color dot and the color we want it to be. In this case, I'm going to put gray. So let's wait for the content view to update the preview, and as you can see here, it says it's just for beginners in gray color as we typed here. And we can also type here dot font headline. What headline? What it does is that it increases the font weight and makes the text to be a specific size. Now what we'll do next is adding background color. Let's make this app look more polished by adding a background color. So what I'll first do is select all this text, what we got here, the VStack. And we're going to do right click and we're going to embed in ZStack. Now there's a ZStack all around this. What the ZStack does is layer views. Think of it like a stacking cards. The background color goes underneath everything else. How we'll do that? Well, between the ZStack and the VStack, we'll type color, and now we type the color we want. We want it to be between parentheses, of course. Let's put a background color, for example, red. There you go. And now you can see that the background of this turned red. You can put this the color you want it to be. I'll put green. And as you can see, there are these white lines on the top and on the bottom. Those form because of the safe area that SwiftUI establishes automatically for all the elements on the view. If you want the background to be in all the app, you just type ignoresSafeArea here .all between these parentheses, and as you can now see, the background ignores the safe area and spreads all around the screen. And now we've got a clean, modern look. The background makes the app feel more professional already. That's it for today. We built a simple app with a custom title and subtitle, a clean vertical alignment using VStack, and a polished look with a background color. Take a few minutes to experiment, change the text, try different colors, or add more text elements. It's all about getting comfortable with SwiftUI. In the next episode, we'll bring this app to life by running it in the simulator and adding interactivity with buttons and actions. Stay tuned and I'll see you here. If you liked my content and if you're interested on learning how to code apps for your Apple devices and learning SwiftUI, Python, C++, and other languages, subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, you can find these episodes code on the description. Thanks for watching.